Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Corner. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today's topic is English for Internet Problems. Call customer care like a pro.
Let's start with what to say when you call. You can say, my internet isn't working. The Wi-Fi is very slow. My connection keeps dropping. I need help fixing my internet.
The agent may ask, how long has this been happening? Did you restart your router? Are you using Wi-Fi or a cable?
To describe the problem, you can say, the modem lights are blinking. Only some devices can connect. The internet stops every few minutes. The speed is much slower than usual.
The agent may tell you, please restart your modem. Unplug the router for 30 seconds. Press the reset button. Check if the cables are connected.
If you need more help, ask, is there an outage in my area? My internet stopped suddenly.
Yes, there's maintenance. Service will return in 2 hours. Calling customer care can be stressful, but these phrases make it easier.
Thanks for listening. See you next time on Mr. English Corner.